In this segment, I will be analyzing a painting called The Storm on the Sea of Galilee. This painting is also commonly referred to as The Calming of the Storm. It was done by Rembrandt in 1633, and it is his only seascape painting. Here in this painting, Rembrandt uses a defined diagonal line across the painting in the form of a mast. This diagonal here is used to display the conflict and the movement of the storm. It shows conflict in that it's neither vertical nor horizontal, so there isn't a resolution there. On the right of this diagonal sits Jesus and a group of his followers praying in the dark, stormy scene. Here a man is even vomiting over the side to show the frenzy of the storm and the tumult that it is causing. And the men on this side have accepted the dangerous situation, and instead of being anxious about it, they have turned to Christ to be their peace and to guide them through the storm. And then on the left side of the diagonal is a very different scene. The scene is filled with light, and there seems to be a peace that's coming through the clouds as the storm is breaking. However, the men here are still in a frenzied action trying to keep the ship afloat. The men on this side are ignoring the peace and the light and rather remain in a panic. And this reflects the way that they are ignoring Christ to attempt to take care of things by themselves. So they're not relying on him and they're not accepting anything, but rather they are blind to Christ. The contrast of the men's response on either side of the diagonal demonstrates that some of Christ's followers are willing to follow him even unto death, which would be those on the right, and others will try to fix the situation for themselves. At the top of the mast, there is a cross, and Jesus' gaze falls upon this cross. It is right on the dividing line between two realms. Christ looks from death here towards his cross on the crux of both realms, implying that the cross is the true resolution to the storm, and therefore Jesus' actions on his cross are what will save both those who follow him and those who can't put their full trust in him.